Hi, Brent here from Project 7 with our B1X Ballistic Battle Belt. Since you're already wearing a gun belt, here at Project 7 we thought it might as well be ballistic. It's an area that's often exposed, but it's an area that you're already wearing equipment. Our solution to that was a ballistic battle belt. Let's take a look at what's inside of the belt. You'll notice that there's 5 neoprene portions located on the inside of the belt. This prevents the belt from rotating or riding up while you're using it. You'll also notice that there's a zipper located at the bottom. This zipper is where we insert the ballistic material for the belt. Let's take a look at the other side of the belt. You'll notice that there's 4 rows of MOLLE. Those are designed to allow you to put most pouches on the belt. You also may notice that there's 5 separate panels of MOLLE located across the belt. The idea behind this is you run an interior belt, which bears the weight of the belt itself, but panels number 2 and number 4 can be bypassed, allowing you to pop the belt out, allowing you to place a holster or other drop leg on the belt itself. This can be done on either panel 2, panel 4, neither, or both. There's 2 interior belts available for the Project 7 B1X. Our standard duty belt that you see here, or optionally, you can get a climbing rated Yates Riggers belt built specifically for Project 7. This belt allows you to climb, rappel, or to be used as an attachment point in air operations. With B1X, you not only have comfortable load bearing, you also have ballistic protection.